How to create a audio spectrum tutorial.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Step 1. Open up a new tab and type in your search engine, Adobe After Effects. Download, and once it has loaded, there are a list of different websites or options, but you want to go mainly to the Adobe website and click on it, either the first or the second. You have an option once the website has loaded to start or to get a free 7-day trial, or you can purchase it directly. Once Adobe After Effects CC has been loaded, you want to locate and drag the audio piece. The next step is to click the second or the first option, New Composition, on the left hand screen, and click OK. And still highlighted or selected your audio piece, you want to go to the fourth option on the top right screen and click Layer, New, and click the second option which says Solid. In this case, you can mess around with this and click OK. The next step is, once your dark gray solid is still selected or highlighted, go under to the fifth option on their top screen and click Effects and scroll down until you see the option Generate. And then click the third option, Audio Spectrum. As you can see on the timeline, if we scroll, we don't have anything yet, so this has to be applied to our music or audio piece. Under the Effects Control panel, and with your dark gray solid still selected, go to the right or the first option on Audio Layer and click the drop down arrow and click or select your music or audio piece. Now, as you can see, you have successfully created an audio spectrum piece in Adobe After Effects. If you are happy or satisfied with the result and you would like to export this, and go to the top left hand screen and click the first option and scroll down until you see the option Export. You have 4 different options, but I'm going to click the second option. In this case, you can change the settings and you can change the output. Once you're happy or satisfied, you can go to the right hand screen and click Render.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.